Hello everyone, welcome to another week of Curd with Spross. Tonight we are on Amble Beach, just behind the caravan park, just down one that way. Right, the species of tonight we're hoping to catch maybe is some cod, flatties, bass, whatever comes up. Because there has been some fishermen on here the night and they have actually caught bass and cod tonight.
And we've seen them.
And actually showed them, so they have.
So they have caught.
And we've had one cast up to now, so hopefully we will get something. And I've had one cast. Dennis has already brought a flatty in, but we're hoping for something bigger tonight. Fingers crossed. I hope the cod will get it.
I hope so.
Because it'd be nice to see a cod get pulled in.
Well, that was a nice size flatty, as you'll see.
It was actually, aye.
So John picked this place the night. Please he did. Well, I'll not give him rang this week because I've caught fisherman Danes like again. No, I mean, I'll not rub it in, John.
Not like you normally do.
No.
Nah, he's got Les off this week.
But
at the minute it's 11:15. High tide tonight is actually 1:45. We're fishing the tide up and they're fishing the tide back, so hopefully we will get something. In the pick and mix of the night, we have got razor, frozen black, we have got soft shell crab, we have got mackerel, squid, bluey.
I think that's it.
Is that it? Right, we've got a good selection to pick from tonight, I know that. Just hopefully something comes up. And then the gear of the night, I'm using me Daiwa Kanzaki 14.2 with me Akuas Shuttle 651 multiplier. Dennis is using his Sonic Vader with his Boo 7000C.
And guess what? My favourite.
And he's out of the moon, he's got twins, new one now.
Oh, aye.
He's going to have twins.
Aye, it's gone out at the minute, the other one. But it's a little bit wavering there. As you could see, I'm wearing my waders this week because I don't fancy getting wet again.
Unless I push him. I know I didn't push him last week.
But I'll tell you what it is, that water was cold.
He's a wimp. He's a wimp.
So,
yeah,
I mean, we're the only two on the beach tonight now because the other ones is away. But like what John says, there's been cod caught, so it's flying around cod.
Actually, there's a couple of bass caught, they said.
They said, aye.
Somebody's caught a couple of bass tonight.
So, but all I've got to say again, thank you for the views and the comments again.
Thank you for your support.
It's really shocked. What you got to say, John?
No, I think that's it for now. So what we'll do is, I mean, I don't know if we'll be able to get you on the roads much tonight because obviously you can see it. It's pitch black. But I'll try my best in putting some lights. So I've got a big light there. If I can shine it on the roads and if it works, I'll put you on the roads. If not, I'm sorry, but I will put you on if we catch any fish. Which I promise that we obviously will that. Right, so for now, is that it?
Wait. John?
What?
Now I've got to do.
I was going to say something about I'm beeping like I did last week.
I've got to do it. We shall have a fishy in a little dishy. We shall have a fishy.
You know what I'm going to do?
Comes in. You know we're going to cut you loose and we'll get back to you if there's any more fish.
I will.
Fish.
Right, bye for now.
Right, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see.
Right.
Fisherman Dan does it again. Second cast. Look at that. Beauty. We are at a place called Amble. Just over beside the caravan site. and I knew I had that urge. It was pulling all the time. Whoa. And that was on black look. Get it off and then again. But remember, I ain't going to go for a swim this week. It's a nice size.
It is actually, aye.
And then strikes again. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I told Stuart to get the camera up. He says, aye, I think I'd better. Because what we never do, we never put the camera in when we come down. Because we like getting the words enforced. So I'm pleased you've seen it. Then it does again. So that's my blank. Bye! I'm out of the moon with that. That was the second cast. So it's up to John now. It seems me that the worst curd being getting caught tonight off here. And I'm happy with that. We're going for the curd next time. Yeah. Right, ladies and gentlemen, John's brought his duck. He hasn't got a blank. He's just fetched a nice coolie in there.
Yes.
He thought it was weed, but yes, go on, John.
I'm out of the moon about that.
See, cod whispers in the winter do catch. So, gotta get it off there and get it as fast as you can. Nice little coolie that.
There we go.
There you go.
We'll get him put back. And that was on there. Black.
Black.
Pure black.
Good.
I'm pleased that's my blank dropping.
One's each. Yeah.
I'm just pleased I caught the fish.
John had to go and
Starting to get worried.
John had to go and warn back on me. I gotta get a nice coolie. Oh,
Yeah, what is? I could kiss you. What? Right. Why are we getting it?
get it off the hook and get it back in, John.
Right. And we'll get them off to fight nobody yet. Right, we'll be back shortly. That's them unhooked. Letting them back to see the bands.
Nice one, John.
I'm just so pleased I haven't blanked. Dennis hasn't blanked. I just want to see that cod now. Right, we'll get back to you if there's any more. Hopefully there will be.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, first cod of the season, Jonathan, and he's over the moon.
Look at that.
Look at that, nice one. And that was on crab. Shoot at us and I'll come running. Very nice, John.
First one of the season.
First,
Out of the moon with that, like.
that first one for 2 seasons. Out of the moon. Nice one.
Right. It's not big enough to keep, but we'll put it back. Like we always do. I'm absolutely buzzing now.
And we're going to cast in now for mine.
What for your cod?
Right. Oh, it's lively.
Very lively.
Want.
Aye. Right. Just gotta get the hook out. And then we're gonna get it put back in.
And I'm gonna cast in for mine.
Right, everybody. It is now 5 to 2 AM. This is half year mark. And what we've caught up to now, Dennis has caught a flatty. I've caught a coolie and a codlin, as you've all seen by now. But I'm still hoping for more fish though, because I'm not ready to get near me yet. Because high tide was caught at 1. I got it right. It's caught at 1. So hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm just pleased with what I caught. I've had blanks for weeks.
Right, all I've got to say, John picked the pace, and I'm not saying no about because I'll give him his due. For once, he's getting it right.
Told you I told you this would be good at night. Right, if you think about it, right, when we're doing here in the summer, what we're talking about, and we're seeing the conditions, what the sea was like outside, and what we're seeing, because we're seeing like rocks under the sea, and we're seeing it was a rocky surface. What do we say? It would be ideal for the winter for the cod.
Yeah, I got a follow-up under 2 years ago from here, didn't I?
Ah, you did.
When the tide was out, and out.
And that night, caught 7 altogether.
Yeah.
7 fish were caught out together that night. 7 cod. And I was out of the moon.
But it's been a decent night.
Yes.
What to say? No more plans for it? Yes.
Well, Brock was good. Right, Dennis broke his last week and I've broke mine this week.
So,
Because I didn't think I've never caught a fish since we were at Chapel Point. When I caught that bass. That was the last fish I caught. But tonight, I'm absolutely chuffed and I'm out of the moon. And that was a coolie, but it's a fish.
well, now what
But
a
I caught it.
well, now what
It's
a cod
cod.
looks like, John.
Oh, I'm pleased. First cod of the season, and I'm absolutely out of the moon. And look how cod was for us for now. I'm probably taking to so new, like I'll be the only one for the rest of the season.
But like last year, cod was supposed to always catch in the winter.
Oh, I didn't see that, man.
In the winter's coming. But aye, it's been a good session. It's
Been a canny night. I've enjoyed it actually.
it's tight starting again now.
It is.
So I mean the roads is going up and down, but it's just waves at the minute.
But we are hoping for another fish or two.
But,
Yeah, I know I am. At least anyway. Are you?
but see, ladies and gentlemen, it's my turn next week. So
Yes, Dennis.
I'm gonna have to think hard.
You're gonna have to up your game.
Or I'm gonna have to up the game.
You're not like.
So John's got this light on his camera.
But they'll not be able to see you if I didn't put it on.
It's blindness. I'm blind anyway, you know. That's why I wear glasses. I was expecting a remark there come from you.
And now they did, but there'll be a lot of bleeping. Have you noticed I bleeped for the first time last week?
But like I say, we'll come out, we're friends, we're mates for a long, long time. We like fishing, we like having a carry on, we love doing our videos.
My wife says I'll be fishing more than I love her. Not saying it's not true, but I better not say that.
Well,
Or she watches these.
Aye. We're not out to show anybody how to fish.
Nah.
Just if anybody wants to come along over, they can. If they want to show us how to fish,
You're more than welcome to.
more than welcome. But
See,
yeah,
before us stay at this, it's just how we are and us having fun, isn't it?
this
It's just, this is our lads' night out type of thing. This is what we enjoy doing. We didn't try to show anybody what to do. We're not trying to teach somebody what to do.
just sport.
It's just us. Huh?
Isn't it? Just only sport we've got.
Yeah.
But
I admit we're both tackle tarts.
aye,
I'm not going to deny that. Yeah, no, I am. I'm not going to admit.
no, aye.
I've got to have twins of everything. So does he.
We actually
I got it from him.
Oh, thanks. It's the first time I've had twins with tonight. And
Excuse me.
good. I'm trying to catch up with John, but I'll never catch up with him. Never.
You're the tackle tart. I got it off you.
In fact, I think he's got more words and wheels in the tackle shop.
Nah, these I wouldn't be surprised.
You went out quiet, John.
Yeah?
You went out quiet for a change.
And I'm just looking at the roads, getting up and doing. What's the matter? But I'm
Wait.
sorry there's not much footage on the roads tonight. It's just, we have tried. But I don't think it's going to come out very good. So I've got a feeling the only footage you're going to get is probably of us two yakking away like this, putting the wall to rights.
And now what it is, I bet they're thinking, thank the Lord for that.
What? Caught the fish?
They're sticking the lights on the roads. The lights. I mean the camera.
If we can, it's pitch black.
You know, will you do some comments for us? Right?
We know you're an idiot.
Out you want. Well, if you like our videos, right? Will you just like say, Dennis, I like your crack, what what you have. Now what I mean, what you doing? Just stick it in your comments. You know what I mean? I bet this gets good out.
Yeah, it is. You've got a hell of a heat on you.
John, I've always said, if you've got it, flaunt it. If you haven't, still flaunt it.
I can comment that one, but I'll let you lot decide on that one.
Even I am in that chap.
Now you're there, chap.
I still could take phone.
And now you forgot to take a Zimmer frame in the water last week. That's how you fell out.
You had to fetch that in the last week, eh?
Oh, aye, it was classic.
But say I've got my weirdos in the night. Justice.
That's just in case you fell in the water
Just in
again.
case. It'd just be my looking again in the water and going upside down.
Still wouldn't come in for you.
That's mates for you.
Aye, of course.
You know, I've just seen a light in the water there before, out in the distance. It's not there now.
It's a lighthouse.
No, man. Lighthouse is out there. Must have been a boat. See?
You see him
flashing light
things.
there. That's the lighthouse. Unless it's the Martians going to pick you up. Oh, yes! Nanu, 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 nanu. Beat me up, Mr. Scott.
I do apologise for him. Like I keep saying all the time, he is getting back. He gets kept under lock and key through the day when he's not outside.
At least you've seen some fishing, not just carrying on. Or doing
Aye, you've
fish.
seen some fish tonight, bloody hell.
Aye. Well, I think I'll have this cup out and pull one in and see what I've got.
Hopefully. Wait then, we'll get back here if we'll catch out.
Oh, by the way,
Oh,
are you
what?
seeing this?
What?
Cod Whispers. It's for new design. I've got one, but I'm not wearing it tonight. Jared bought another one just in case I fell in.
He's right, actually.
So I'll have a change.
Because last week he was complaining he couldn't wear his top. And he didn't have a spare one, so I bought him one. See how much of a nice mate I am to him?
Jared, I'm pleased to have a live with you.
So am I.
So we'll get back here shortly. Hope for the best. And I'll
Right.
pull this road in and see.
Right, so there's out. We'll get back in. See you shortly.
Shortly.
Yeah. It's 3:25 AM. I'm sorry if you haven't got any shots of the roads. I have tried, the pair we have, and it's been too dark if I haven't put them in. So do apologise for that. But
but we have caught. Yeah.
Yes, I'm out of the mood for that.
Turn 2, Dane 1. Oh.
Right. Dane got a flatty, I got a Corey, and I got a Codlin. Which,
Congratulations.
I'm just pleased I'm getting rid of the curse. Because I've had a blank for so long, I was starting to get fed up. Now I'm actually out of the mood. I've actually caught a couple of fish tonight. So the blank is over.
Hasn't been a bad session. We've just packed it in there now, so we both was as tired.
Aye. It's been enjoyable lately, hasn't
It has. At least we've caught, that's the main thing. And we're, ladies and gentlemen out there, say the God Whispers has come back.
Yes. See, we can catch fish, what can I say?
And everybody's laughing, I didn't catch them, they just get out and have a bit of fun.
Aye, and people wanting competitions, well,
yeah. I think we might have a second opinion now, like.
Aye, they probably will.
They'll come back with something. But we're game if you're game.
Oh, definitely like. Oh, definitely like. But aye, if you like what we're doing, if you like the contents that we're showing you, if you like the way we go on, please subscribe, give a follow, a like,
just stay out.
just stay out, aye. But I've noticed subscribers have went over 1,000 mark now, which I'm absolutely over the moon, aren't we?
Oh, definitely.
So if we can, we want to try and reach. I'm gonna be a bit greedy and see if we can reach 2 around about, say, New Year.
New Year, aye, New Year.
See if we can get 2,000 by New Year.
You know, ring my bell,
ring my bell,
ring my bell. Then we say, no, there's a daft idiot again.
What do you mean again? You know where I've got to put it with.
Never again, see, never mind. I've never said it once the night on to do.
Well, that's your stupid fault, that.
Well,
Yeah. Aye.
So I think we're going to close this off now because my legs are starting.
And then mine are now, actually. Aye. So until next time, we'll see you on the beach.
Tight lines for me.
And tight lines from him.
That idiot.
See you later.
See you later.
See you next time on the beach.